Oh, the palm trees are blowing. It's Tropical Storm Isaac. Yeah. There's the hens over there. They're so scared, they're not even in their coop. Lots of wind going on here in Sunrise. The forecasters were totally right. We should all be scared to death because the storm of the year is coming. Wow, the canal got really high. Let's see, here comes some wind. Yeah, that's about the extent of it. Other than all the water coming off the roof. Oh, more wind. More wind. More wind. No trees knocked down yet, though. But all my flowers are happy. Yeah. I think I'll go back inside and have another freshly made wine drink with fresh fruit.